How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Spacedesk with USB. So it's going to be extremely simple, and before we proceed, you want to use a USB cable that's supported for data transfers. You want to avoid charging cables because this will not work if you go ahead and proceed with that. So the first thing that you want to do is to navigate through the communication interfaces, and then you want to check the USB cable driver Android. Make sure that it is set to turn on, and then make sure that the USB cable Android is selected. So you want to turning on disables other USB cable applications, and you want to turn it off to enable other applications again. So just go ahead and click these options right here. It will load, and after a couple of seconds, you then want to now plug in your USB cable. So it will simply look something like this after plugging it onto your Android, and you want to make sure that you have selected PTP because it supports image transfers, not the file transfer Android Auto. And after selecting PTP, open up the Spacedesk application on your Android devices, and your computer will automatically be linked onto the phone right here or through the USB cable. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.